I was looking to book a spray tan.
Okay, when are you wanting the spray tan?
First time ever getting a spray tan, I'm not really sure what to expect. Just to give you a little background, the reason why I'm getting a spray tan is obviously because I've always wanted to be tan. I'm Norwegian, Irish, German, and I kind of tan red a little bit. It's not a burn, but it's a nice red glow. Oh, and that's just how I've always been during the summertime. I'm actually gonna look golden, like a Brazilian god. And I'm just excited for that, you know what I mean? Matt's taking along today. I was not able to get a Speedo today, so it looks like I'm going nude. Oh, I didn't moisturize.
Elbows.
There.
Knees. By your ankles. Yep.
Love it, Zach. Starting to nip a little bit.
Yeah, turn your face.
Can we spray tan the face too?
Yep. Do you want it done? Okay.
Good?
Yep. So drop.
Oh, jeez. Look at that. That's the difference in the tan.
So you're gonna get darker as the day goes on. You really are gonna look dirty. But
yeah, look at that. Look at the difference in the tan there. That's quite the difference. Got this beautiful hairnet in, and man, the body's starting to look good. It's starting to have a nice bronze, like, ooh. It's only supposed to get darker throughout the day. Definitive tan line. Real nice. Matt is getting a skin test.
It'll tell me like what kind of products I should use and.
No way.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
How much does it cost to get a skin test?
this is free. It's complimentary.
Yeah.
What? I want to get a skin test after
You're
this.
tan. We have to wait.
Oh, what?
Oh, that's a shame.
So you're gonna go into 8 different categories. So it's got spots, wrinkles, texture, pores, UV damage, which UV damage is underneath the skin. And then brown spots is what we can visually see right now. Your redness and porphyrins, that's debris inside your pores. So wrinkles underneath are like underneath your eye here. So the light green are fine lines. The dark green are deep lines. So you need a good under eye cream.
What?
You need an under eye cream.
Under eye cream.
Yep.
Jeez.
Do you wear sunscreen?
I don't.
I can tell.
Yeah.
So the orange is oil, his lips being darker on the outside, and up here on his eyelid, he's dehydrated. You want to see how old your skin is? So your skin ages differently.
Dun, 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 dun.
So it's great. You're 25, your skin is 23.
Hey.
So this is hydrofacial?
Yeah.
That looks like a very comfortable bed.
Oh wow. Love the curves.
Everything with hydrofacial is going to be soothing to your skin. It's going to be hydrating to your skin, but it's also going to get those porphyrins out. This is what it feels like.
Feels
See all those coming up?
Oh yeah.
well, Lacey. Thank you so
You're
much
very
for
welcome.
everything.
Yes.
Lacey, you rock. Thank you. It's kind of weird for me saying this, but like skincare is really important for guys. And I feel like a lot of guys just don't really care about it as much as they should.
I think use moisturizer. It's kind of intimidating to watch yourself on screen and to see that there's imperfections in the skin. I think it was at like a 47%, which it's not as great as it could be. I don't drink enough water.
Yeah, that could show.
So, yeah, and she literally showed it on screen. So I'm gonna drink more water.
So it has officially been 2 days since my spray tan, and I wanted to make a little bit of a review as far as what I'm honestly thinking about it now that it's been a couple days. So day one, you're gonna go into it. It's gonna be awesome. You're gonna get your spray tan, and then for the rest of the day, have a super dark complexion. After you take your first shower, then you're actually gonna see what your spray tan is. I've done it for 2 days. I'm still tan. So my biggest worry getting a spray tan was that I was going to look orange. This was not the case, thankfully, with Sublime. I went in and it was definitely more of a natural tan. A big thanks to all the staff down at Sublime for allowing us to come in and vlog the episode. It was a lot of fun, being the first time I've ever gotten a spray tan. Definitely gonna stop back in to get a skin test. With that being said, guys, thanks for watching the vlog. I'll catch you in the next one.